So here's an interesting one in my news feed from someone called Ireland. He says, until we can see somewhat clearly from both perspectives of an argument, our say in the matter is invalid. What do you think? Well, this is what I think. I think that broadly speaking, you're right. I mean, in the sense that you have to be able to understand what the other person is saying in order to construct a coherent response to it that stands any kind of chance at being understood by the other person and perhaps taken on board by them. So the word somewhat, I think, gets you out of a lot of trouble there. You know, obviously, you don't have to be able to see fully clearly from the other perspective because it might be just too difficult. And some people have very weird points of view, which it's very difficult to see from, that they've built up over the years, and it can be difficult getting into that personality, try and understand what they're saying, especially if they're not saying an awful lot. So I think you can construct a valid response to something even if you don't understand it, but it may have to be, you may have to be searching for answers to asking questions in order to try and understand their position better before you can construct a response. But then, of course, some people I think probably are just confused, and therefore it may just be impossible to see clearly from their perspective, and really have to go on what they've written and the semantics of it in order to construct a decent response to that. So yeah, broadly agree, but I think maybe there are exceptional cases. So that's my answer to that question. Thanks for asking it.